Hello friends, welcome to my channel Effortless English for Kids. Today we are going to discuss animals vocabulary which is used worldwide. So let's have a look at them. First one is porcupine. What is it? It's a porcupine. It's a porcupine. Raccoon. It's a raccoon. What is it? It's a raccoon. Beaver. It's a beaver. What is it? It's a beaver. Skunk. It's a skunk. What is it? It's a skunk. Next one. Cow. It's a cow. What is it? It's a cow. Next one we have goat. It's a goat. What is it? It's a goat. We use it for animals. Next one we have sheep. It's a sheep. What is it? It's a sheep. Next one we have mongoose. It's a mongoose. What is it? It's a mongoose. Next one we have chameleon. It's a chameleon. What is it? It's a chameleon. Next one we have rabbit. It's a rabbit. What is it? It's a rabbit. Next one we have giraffe. It's a giraffe. What is it? It's a giraffe. It has long neck. Next one hedgehog. It's a hedgehog. What is it? It's a hedgehog. Next one deer. It's a deer. What is it? It's a deer. Next one we have camel. It's a camel. What is it? It's a camel. Next one we have dog. It's a dog. What is it? It's a dog. Dog are of different types, so their names are available on the Google. Rhinoceros. It's a rhinoceros. What is it? It's a rhinoceros. Sloth. It's a sloth. What is it? It's a sloth. Next one we have weasel. It's a weasel. What is it? It's a weasel. There are two types of weasel, white and brown. Wolf. It's a wolf. What is it? It's a wolf. Next one we have bull. It's a bull. What is it? It's a bull. Next one zebra. It's a zebra or zebra. It's a zebra or zebra. Next one we have polar or arctic wolf. It's a polar or arctic wolf. What is it? It's a polar or arctic wolf. They are white in color. Hippopotamus. It's a hippopotamus. What is it? It's a hippopotamus. Next one we have panda. It's a panda. What is it? It's a panda. Next one we have ox. It's an ox. What is it? It's an ox. Next one we have chimpanzee. It's a chimpanzee. What is it? It's a chimpanzee. Next one we have walrus. It's a walrus. What is it? It's a walrus. Next one we have fox. It's a fox. What is it? It's a fox. Next one lion. It's a lion. What is it? It's a lion. Next one we have squirrel. It's a squirrel. What is it? It's a squirrel. Antelope. It's an antelope. What is it? It's an antelope. Again, antelope. Next one, stag. It's a stag. What is it? It's a stag. Next one, elephant. It's an elephant. What is it? It's an elephant. Elk. It's an elk. What is it? It's an elk. Next one, moose. It's a moose. What is it? It's a moose. Next one we have hamster. It's a hamster. What is it? It's a hamster. Next one, hyena. It's a hyena. What is it? It's a hyena. Coyote. It's coyote. It's a coyote. Next one we have mule. It's a mule. What is it? It's a mule. Mole. It's a mole. What is it? It's a mole. It is usually found in houses. Next one, grey langur. It's a grey langur. What is it? It's a grey langur. Next one, ape. It's a ape. What is it? It's an ape. Next one we have black panther. It's a black panther. What is it? It's a black panther. Jaguar. It's a jaguar. What is it? It's a jaguar. Next one we have otter. It's an otter. What is it? It's an otter. Next one, koala. It's a koala. What is it? It's a koala. Next one we have jackal. It's a jackal. What is it? It's a jackal. White tiger. It's a white tiger. What is it? It's a white tiger. Next one we have Bengal tiger. It's a Bengal tiger. What is it? It's a Bengal tiger. Polar bear. It's a polar bear. What is it? It's a polar bear. They are usually white in color. Leopard. It's a leopard. What is it? It's a leopard. Next one we have cheetah. It's a cheetah. What is it? It's a cheetah. Next one we have crocodile. It's a crocodile. What is it? It's a crocodile. Next one we have mouse. It's a mouse. What is it? It's a mouse. Lizard. It's a lizard. What is it? It's a lizard. Cat. It's a cat. What is it? It's a cat. Lynx. It's a lynx. What is it? It's a lynx. Next one, pig. It's a pig. What is it? It's a pig. Next one we have turtle. It's a turtle. What is it? It's a turtle. Next one, tortoise. It's a tortoise. What is it? It's a tortoise. There is a subtle difference in the turtle and tortoise. Bison. It's a bison. What is it? It's a bison. Guinea pig. It's a guinea pig. What is it? It's a guinea pig. Next one we have meerkat. It's a meerkat. What is it? It's a meerkat. Next one we have llama. It's a llama. What is it? It's a llama. In Spanish they pronounce llama. Ram. It's a ram. What is it? It's a ram. Gorilla. It's a gorilla. What is it? It's a gorilla. Muskox. It's a muskox. What is it? It's a muskox. Cougar. It's a cougar. What is it? It's a cougar. Iguana. It's an iguana. What is it? It's an iguana. Buffalo. It's a buffalo. What is it? It's a buffalo. Next one. Baboon. It's a baboon. What is it? It's a baboon. They are different from monkey. Snow leopard. Snow leopard. What is it? Snow leopard. It's a snow leopard. Anteater. It's an anteater. What is it? It's an anteater. Lemur. It's a lemur. What is it? It's a lemur. Tapir. It's tapir. What is it? It's a tapir. Armadillo. It's an armadillo. What is it? It's an armadillo. Macaque or rhesus monkey. Macaque or rhesus monkey. What is it? It's a macaque or rhesus monkey. Horse. It's a horse. What is it? It's a horse. Bear. It's a bear. What is it? It's a bear. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and thanks for watching. Bye bye.